Our next option is checkout form, and you can manage the form from this dashboard. The first option is remove checkout fields. You can remove any fields from the checkout option. You just need to go back to dashboard and select here which fields you want to remove. Let's remove last name. And there is also option for hide top coupon, hide shipping address, notice wrapper, hide privacy text, hide payment option, or hide product table. Let's hide our privacy policy text. Let's go back to dashboard and hide privacy policy text. And there is also option for heading manage. You can hide the billing details or hide additional details or hide order review heading. Let's hide our billing details. Here is our billing details heading. So click save changes. Now let's visit our checkout page and reload the page. See, our billing details is hidden and also our last name is invisible. And see, our privacy policy text is not also displaying. So that's how it works. You can again enable this option. You just need to go back to plugin dashboard. And from here, you just need to disable this option. Let's disable the hide privacy policy text option and remove the field. You need to click save changes and let's visit our checkout page and reload the page. See, the billing details has again came and last name also in its place, and our privacy policy text has also in its place. That's how it works. Let's go back to our plugin dashboard. Our next option is text manage, and from here you can manage all the text of cart. You can add as you want, like your cart. You can use only cart. For billing details, you can only use billing as you want. That's how we can add text for all the fields, and you need to click save changes. Let's visit our checkout page and reload the page. See, our billing details is coming with only billing, as we had added here billing details. Like this, you can change each of the fields. Our next option is advanced settings, and from here you can configure the trust badges, but you need to upgrade pro. And our last option is plugin license. You can upgrade pro from here. You just need to give here the license key and activate the license.